Good morning, children. Here I am, Arundhati ma'am, teaching you science. We are doing the chapter number 2, human body. Yes, last day we did all the short question answers. Today we are going to do the long answer question. So all of you open to page number 17, the checkpoint, and at the end of it, number D, long answer questions. So we start with question number 1. It says, what is the function of the heart? Why is it important? So the question has two parts. It says, first part says you to explain the function of the heart, and second part says you to tell the importance of the function of the heart. First part answer, the heart pumps blood to all parts of the body through the tube-like blood vessels. So what is the function of the heart? Function of the heart is to pump the blood to all parts of the body. So it pumps the blood to all parts of the body through the tube-like blood vessels, small fine tube like blood vessels. Through it pumps. Next one, part 2, the importance of the pumping of the blood. It is important as due to the pumping of the heart, the blood carries food and oxygen to the body parts and carries the waste away from them. So the importance of the pumping of the heart goes into the fact that, first thing, due to this importance of because of this pumping of the heart, the blood is carrying the food and oxygen to all parts of the body. It goes, because of the force of the pumping, it carries the food and oxygen and reaches to the different parts of the body. And because of this, the body parts are able to get the food and oxygen and derive the energy from them. And then after giving away the food and oxygen, it carries the waste material from them and brings them back to the heart again. Next now, question number 2 says, draw and label the parts of the human respiratory system. So here you see they have asked you to draw, label, as well as you have to do, you have to do the coloring of the system also, and then you have to do it, learn it. Now, so this picture is directly in your book. You turn to page number 12, the respiratory system. So here now we have come to page number 12, the respiratory system. We see here it is the respiratory system drawn. It has the nose first. Through the nose, the air goes inside. The nose leads to the windpipe, and from the windpipe it goes to the windpipe goes to the two lungs by the side. At the bottom of the two lungs lies the diaphragm, which separates the respiratory system from the stomach and other internal organs. So first part of the respiratory system is the nose, then the windpipe, and then the two lungs, and at the bottom is the diaphragm. So you have to draw it as well as label it. At each point you have to draw a line and name what it is. For example, here in the windpipe you have to draw a line and name it as the windpipe. Here for the lungs you have to draw a line and name as a lungs. So without the labeling, your diagram is incomplete.